Kodak PIXPRO FZ45 Setup and User Guide. Easy tutorial for beginners. Step 1. Insert batteries and SD card. Open the bottom compartment. Install 2 AA batteries and an SD card, up to 512 GB, following the polarity guides. Close the cover. Step 2. Power on and set language, date, time. Turn the camera on. Select your preferred language, then set the date and time using the arrow and set buttons. Step 3. Choose a shooting mode. Use the mode button to pick auto, easy, P. Program A, manual, movie, scene, panorama, or face beautifier. Step 4. Zoom and focus. Use the WT zoom rocker to zoom in out. Half press the shutter until the focus turns green, then fully press to take a photo. Step 6. Playback and transfer. Press to view photos, videos. To transfer to PC, connect the camera via USB or use menu, playback, copy to card file settings. Step 7. Format memory card. Recommended. Go to menu, file settings, format to prepare the card and avoid issues.